Phone. In simple terms, what is a large language model LLM? Answer: a large language model LLM is a type of artificial intelligence system that is trained on a massive amount of text data to understand and generate human-like language. This system uses machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and relationships in the training data, allowing it to produce logical and contextually appropriate language outputs. To understand how an LLM works, imagine you're trying to learn a new language by reading a huge library of books. You would start by reading simple text, and as you progress, you would encounter more complex sentences and phrases. You would learn to recognize patterns and relationships between words, and eventually you would be able to generate your own sentences and conversations. An LLM is similar, but instead of reading books, it's trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet, books, and other sources. The model learns to recognize patterns and relationships between words, phrases, and sentences, allowing it to generate language that is similar to human language. This means that an LLM can be used to answer questions, summarize text, translate languages, and even create original content like stories and poems. The key benefit of an LLM is its ability to understand and generate language in a way that is similar to human language. This makes it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, from customer service chatbots to language translation software. By providing a simple and clear explanation of what an LLM is and how it works, we can better understand the potential of this technology and how it can be used to improve our lives.